Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. The annual whale, the largest SHIB, trades 4 trillion SHIB tokens. The largest whale in Shiba Inu news moved 4 trillion SHIB tokens to change addresses before the share offering. In August, Barium's mainnet would go live, and she was a whale of a woman. In order to disperse 4 trillion SHIB tokens worth 8 new wallets, 0x1406 woke up after being dormant for 157 days. The whale may have acted in response to the SHIB because it is the greatest holder of SHIB tokens. On the show, Satoshi Kusum takes over as the project's lead developer. She invested in a newly published Baraya mainnet and global paper in August, and on July 13th, the Look and Chain disclosed that a massive whale holding 101.47 trillion SHIB tokens worth $756 million had transferred 4 trillion SHIB tokens worth $29.8 million to 8 new addresses. The whale is the SHIB's biggest Shiba Inu holder, with 10.15% of the total supply. For the past 610 days, the whale has been hoarding SHIB tokens and only sometimes sending them out to other addresses. Buying SHIBs at low prices is one of its trademarks. The whale spent $14,000, or 38 ETH, to acquire 103.3 trillion SHIB tokens in 2020, then made $9.6 million, or 2,411 ETH, selling 603 billion SHIB, and $8.77 million, or 1.25 trillion SHIB, to crypto exchange Coinbase in 2021. The whale still has a total of $101.47 trillion SHIB, or $756 million, spread among 23 wallets. The whale's latest transaction was spotted on the blockchain 157 days ago when it bought 7,049 SHIB tokens. 6.20 trillion SHIB, worth $46 million, is still in the main wallet 0x1406. As reported by Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusuma, the long-awaited L2 shirt Barium will be released at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Toronto, Canada on August 13, 2023, confirming the global paper. The SHIB and bone price is expected to rise after falling by more than 1% from the 24-hour high. The daily low is 737 and the daily high is 759. The value of the lowest token exchanged for gas tokens among the Barians has increased by 82% in the past month. The price of bone has increased by 1% in the last 24 hours to $1.29. The low for the last 24 hours is $1.27 and the high was $1.31. Secrets behind Shiba's spectacular rise and its dominance of the international cryptocurrency industry revealed the widespread acclaim for Shiba in countries like South Africa, Ivory Coast, and India is evidence of his expanding acceptance on a global scale. An important new stage in the development of Shiba Inu has been reached with the release of Barium, a Layer 2 scaling solution. When compared to other cryptocurrencies, Shiba stands out due to its novel approach to governance via decentralized autonomous organization. South Africa and Ivory Coast have acknowledged Shiba Inu as one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, demonstrating extraordinary global adoption. A new report by CoinGecko suggests that this increase in popularity is not limited to these African countries. Among the top 3 most traded assets on the most popular cryptocurrency platform in India, SHIB has attracted a lot of attention in the country of two. Satoshi Kusuma, the chief developer of Shiba Inu, recently offered insights into the team's plan to meet the vision of its pseudonymous inventor Rashi, which has contributed to the game's rising popularity. The aim is for Shiba Inu to become completely decentralized and set up its own system of self-government. The team has finished the structural design phase and is now in the implementation phase of the next SHIB rally on horizon, which is optimistic if the Barium launch goes well and the $5 billion profit narrative sparks hopes. The last step is to put in place various mechanisms to encourage a decentralized society. A new ecosystem token SHIB bone leash and treat the upcoming mainnet launch of Barium is an important milestone in the development of Shiba, which is governed by 4 decentralized autonomous organizations that each represent a different sheet. The utility of this should put him to rest since it reached a new record high in just 2 days. The puppies have the ability to roam, according to the data. The current total number of transactions is nearing 29 million, and if current trends continue, the number of ships transacting could reach 30 million by the weekend. Could Dollar Bones look any farther into it once she, the INA developer, introduced a self-governing method to realize Realshi's vision? Decentralization of power is essential during the time of Realshi's vision's realization. The aim of this ecosystem token bone is to reach $2 as the launch of Shavram draws near, and Shiva's governance has been divided into 4 DAOs, each of which represents a different ecosystem token. This token has been making waves in the cryptocurrency market, with its rally extending by an impressive 124.06% in the past 28 days. State of Bone continues to make optimistic gains, making it one of the highest gaining mainstream assets amid the broader crypto market's volatility. As described by Shiba Inu's synonymous main developer Satoshi Kusama in a recent blog post titled "Should Barium the Foundational Blog," this surge in Bone's value is not a unique incident but rather part of a larger strategy. Kusama explained how the group intends to implement Ryoshi's plan to use Shiba Inu to usher in a new era of global revolution. To get there, Shiba Inu must be fully decentralized and a self-governing framework must be set up. The Shiba Inu crew has finished with the blueprinting phase and moved on to the building phase. The third step is to put in place various mechanisms to encourage a decentralized society. Kusama established a system enabling Shiba Inu to rule themselves, complete with a foundation and a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. All members of the Shiba Inu community will be treated fairly through the DAO's decision-making process, and the foundation will carry out those choices. Positive Barium Tech hosts contests with a $1,000 prize fund and Shiba for all eternity. A new Shiba Everlasting contest is being held at Herbarium Technology. The tournament date has been revealed by a prominent new member of the community. With neutral on-chain signals, she had the latest trades and phase consolidation. By the end of all time, she plans to have fans and Joe the dog join her in a $1,000 play-turn game. Moslow, a prominent member of the SHIB army, verified this in a tweet to Mezzo, who also identified my Switch as the game's sponsor. The fleet celebrates. There's $1,000 at stake. The first round of the new competition series will begin at noon on July 22, 2023, on the official Discord server for Shore Barium Texts. Gamblers using Shiba Inu environment native tokens or Ethereum can dip into a $1,000 prize fund for the collectible card game. The Shiba Inu community on Discord is now voting on the competition format, and once voting is complete, the registration page will be made available. She put in his new companion Bad Idea AI a few weeks back, and ever since then, she's been NFT and gamed for their proposed bridge over a bow. Unfortunately, we can't do that just yet. Shiboshi NFT's Shiva in the lead developer provides insight about how to realize Ryoshi's full vision for the mobile version of Shiba Eternities. The video is over. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.